Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Zoom link on Calendly. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you've switched Zoom accounts or maybe you've joined another business Zoom account. How do you actually go ahead and connect that with Calendly? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, what you're first going to do is that you're going to click on integrations and apps. And then as you can see here, I currently have my Zoom account connected. So go ahead and click on your Zoom account. And then from here, you could actually go ahead and disconnect the Zoom account that's already connected to your Calendly account. And once you disconnect your Zoom account, it's going to ask you to confirm and then click on disconnect. You would just need to go ahead and connect the right Zoom link to your Calendly account. So here you can click on connect Zoom for my organization, or you can click on connect Zoom for myself. So that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your Zoom link on Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.